All right, now that we're recording, I'll go ahead and uh, repeat what I've said to you for the sake of the video. This video shows students how to log on to the online meetings, which is where you can find the lectures. And usually, sometimes things go wrong and you can't, but usually you should be able to find the lectures at this link. And also, I hold office hours in person, in my office, but also, if you can't make it physically, you can meet me at this link and meet me online. So, that being said, this video shows you how to do it using a phone as opposed to doing it from your computer. And what kind of phone are you using, Kara?
I have an iPhone.
Okay, perfect. So I don't know if it matters, but this will be how to do it on an iPhone. So, and this is also interesting because I don't know if you have the app or not, and I don't know how you access it, but I need you to, now that you're sharing your screen, I need you to log on to the Google Classroom. Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. You shouldn't need a class code since I invited you. Okay. Now, while that's loading, I have to ask you, are you using an app or are you using your internet browser?
I have the app.
Okay. So this is how to do it on the app. Okay. Oh, well, look, that's even easier. So there you go. At the bottom left of the app on the student's end, it says stream. So all you have to do is click that button. Obviously, Kara, you're not going to do it now since we are currently we're in the meeting, so you don't need to click it. But yeah, right there, the bottom left. Um, I wish there was a cursor so I could show you, but yeah, where that button says stream, that's where you need to go. So if you can't make it to class, and I'll explain attendance later, but if you need to meet online for the lecture or for office hours, that's where you go. What you don't want to do, this goes to you for you too, Kara, is you don't want to save the link. Like so, right now, Kara has the link. I emailed it to her, and that's how we met online. But you don't want to save that link and keep using it because sometimes Google messes up and the link gets broken or won't let me record, in which case I have to refresh the link. So whenever you do it, always come to this and click it from Google Classroom because if I have to update it, you know, that's where you're going to get it. It'll automatically update. Does that make sense?
Hmm.
Okay. And that's it. Yeah. So that's what you do. I'm going to stop recording and thank you for your help.
All right, no problem.